Hey guys, and welcome to my bachelorette path. Come on in.
Excuse me?
Okay, fine.
This is not...
Welcome to Chad's place. This is the tour that you guys have all been waiting for. Why? Because Chad, of all trades, has been doing many little things around my house. He's helped change rooms over and over and over again. We're still changing rooms, but I wanted to bring you behind the scenes so you could see where Chad actually resides. So,
This is the entrance foyer that brings you into the kitchen almost immediately.
please just cut to this one little section because he has mandarins growing on a branch. Where's this table from?
The flea market. I got this for $500, including delivery. They go for probably like $1,500.
Talk about the bottom bit too.
It's kind of like loft style living. I always put like bar accessories, and these bar stools are postmodern from a vintage store.
I just like knowing that it's like
question.
comfortable. Before we go into the living room, like
I'm gonna
what?
push back in.
Well, you know that. What was the idea for your space?
I love to bring in things that you wouldn't think go and kind of make sense of them, and I love to make things look expensive that were actually really cheap.
The thing that I love about what you do is you take all of these incredible pieces that you found and you make them make sense. Whereas I've just kind of designed the whole room and bought it all at once.
I think when you design a home based on a trend, it's not you. You see it and you're like, I love that. And I'm like, but have you lived in it? You should design a home how you're gonna live in it as well. If you sit in this rocking chair, you can see yourself perfectly in that mirror.
Oh, look at that. You could be pretending like you're talking to the people across from you. You're like, yeah.
And you're like,
Okay,
so
photo
here.
wall, gallery wall. Where have you collected these? How did you lay this out?
I want to put things that are like inspiring and sexy in a vibe. This was probably one of my first pieces I bought at the Melrose Flea Market.
This little light, you can buy it off Amazon.
If you're gonna do it, do not do an LED. The whole
They
point of
save
it,
the planet, Chad.
get the LED warm then. This piece is a speaker as well as it is a little
You can use it
credenza.
as a speaker?
Always. I found this at an HD Buttercup sale. It's probably like $5,000 and I got it for like $2 maybe. It goes.
So let's just talk about this for a moment. I used to love colorful floral arrangements,
Yeah.
and then Chad came in and was like, no, we're gonna do like solid colors and a lot of branches.
Also, like a fun fact, bushes and things like this are a lot cheaper than flowers.
In LA, we have a really incredible downtown flower market. You have a very wide selection.
This is the way to go.
Okay, so this is a photo of Chad that I took last summer, 2016. In Greece, sorry.
Yeah.
We were in Greece, and I gave it to him as a present because I just thought he looked so remarkable. Lies. This is not
this is
Chad.
all
I did
lies.
not. Could
It
we
does
stand over
kind-
here for
I
a
mean-
sec? Let me just like get the vibe. That is you.
I got this light. This is a vintage one of these guys, and this one's very massive.
And your
They
light
don't
bulb's
make these.
out.
No, I only like one bulb because it's too bright.
Oh, no.
Sometimes it's a one bulb because they are not LED, so they're really bright.
Got it.
I like that you tried to call me out though. I get a lot of compliments on this little floating
Yeah,
credenza.
tell me where you got this
And
bad
this
boy.
is non-expensive, you guys.
Where is it
this
from?
is from IKEA.
Ooh!
But this is supposed to go this way, and it's shelves. It's for a bathroom. If you notice, I'm obsessed with circles. It's just like complete. It's organized. Structurally, I just love the feel of it.
What
That's
does
a
it say
huge.
about me that I have all squares like everywhere?
Because you're a square.
Our little circular dining table. These chairs
I
are
love this
vintage,
little
right?
70s. The whole thing is vintage. I got this for the steal of a lifetime for a whopping $500.
Shut up!
I swear to God, the whole thing. This solid wood pedestal is from an estate sale of
Oh,
the creators
yes.
of Will and Grace. This was tucked away. It's like in their like garden foyer section, and I was like, I want that. Now we're going into my bedroom.
What I love about this is like you use these every other day.
Yeah.
And you made them look like art in addition to the books. Where are these from?
Amazon. Such a cheap little find, and I love longboarding, which is very hard for a giant person. You're gonna die.
No, I'm not.
Bye. Nope. These are actually for shovels. This little robot I got right before quarantine. One more time.
You!
It's interesting,
So
it's
good.
weird, it's conversational, it gives off this cool little vibe, and it kind of accents these glass nightstands that I got, and I wanted to have something that was like faux chrome. You wouldn't expect them to be your side table. And then these sconces, I actually rewired these myself.
Also an electrician slash Boy Scout.
This is a really thin burl wood. No one likes an overhead light. You're sitting on my bed, that was perfectly made. So.
Now let's come into my favorite room.
This is the room that is the realist.
Ta-da!
It's a little bit of a hoarder's paradise. This used to be my theater room, and I used to have my projector here, sofa here, but then I started a business during quarantine, and I sell vintage furniture, and this is my makeshift storage room. And
it's not even that bad though, like that.
For me it is, and that's why I moved this curtain. I was like, just don't look at this.
This is Chad's space. I wanted to bring you guys into it because it is my happy place.
She just speaks for me.
He is also going to be moving into a new space, which is very exciting.
And so we will have all the rooms,
way more home decor, how-to tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below what you guys want to see us do more. Now it's time to get out. Come on, guys, get out.
Let's go.
Get
Come
out.
on. No,
your time's up. You know how they always do that? Get out. Take you out. Bye.